Get a rail outside as usual, always gem, a bigger one. This is too big. Alright, no problem. Okay, and one more. That's it.
He told me you will transfer the machine tomorrow morning. Yeah, in the morning. So for me, I would prefer to go now. Like, I have nothing now, and I finished my job. So I will just get my stuff and I will go.
I'm gonna move this.
To send the machine?
Rotate them. Move.
So I told him, okay, in that case, I don't have any job, so I can go back to your company. That's it.
But he was saying that he will be sending some work.
No, I don't think so.
The work is finished. There is no other work.
Yeah, I think it's and try to make a deal with him next month.
As you say, what do you want it to be?
For 10 days or
What
for
about that customer? You said that you have a customer.
Actually, I spoke with him. He asked me about the price. I told him like around like this.
I'm gonna extrude them.
I heard that he said that
What you do?
I'm gonna extrude the curve so I can get a guideline,
this one also something.
like how I'm sharing them equally or no.
And also they were the first person.
Alright.
It was like commercial.
Yes.
Yeah. So now you have to, if you want to buy it, you have to buy it by this price, the full system.
Yes.
Okay, let me check with my brother, let me see it like this. Like this, and I'm waiting.
Now I'm gonna get a profile curve for this diamond.
Yeah, I know that. And really,
That's it.
you don't have
You get
to
it like
ask
this.
for the same price.
You do the same thing over here.
You have deal, you have other job with Mahmoud too. So
Now you're gonna select the curve.
even if you give that machine as a gift to Mahmoud,
Yeah, that's different factor.
yeah,
That is my case with
it's right, exactly.
Alright, I got the curve, so I'm gonna select them. Go in view.
It's a complicated, right?
It's much complicated than that.
Yeah, of course. I will say the better.
Alright, they don't have the command over here, so we can do is we can go over here. We have this set seaplane option,
Yes.
okay, and you set through object, set seaplane to object, and I'm gonna select this curve, you see, as my object. So what it does is set the seaplane, just you see the seaplane has been moved from middle to the flat object. Alright, so now I'm gonna select this one. I'm gonna rotate. It's a very nice thing if you just follow this. You're gonna offset it 0.1. Alright, wireframe, select, offset it outside 1 mm, or let's say 1.1. let's take 1 mm. That's nice. Now I've made a 2 curve, right? 0.1 inside and 1 mm outside. Now I'm going to do the same thing over here for this curve. Select it, view, set seaplane to object, okay, and now it's going to change the seaplane from here to there. I'm going to do the same thing over here. offset inside 0.1, enter, and select the inside one and offset outside 1 millimeter. Okay, so you get like this, you get two curves. Now I'm gonna go in view, I'm gonna go in set view, and I'm gonna press this button, undo Seaplane Change. So it's gonna get, yeah, exactly. I'm gonna do it twice cause I changed it from here to here and from here to here. So I got this back to the 0 level, and now I'm gonna use a curve. Alright, and from here I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use alright, I'm gonna select this one, and you see the shank shape, you need to modify them again. Alright, I'm gonna make it half, and now let's use this one and get one outer side one.
Yes, so
you can use them as a guideline. 1.5,
and you can delete them at the
exactly. That's the good idea, you know. You think about when you just try to make them and on, you get an idea. Let's try this. Alright, so this is nice. I'm going to use this one, get some points on it, and I'm going to move it to match it. Okay, so the good way is to get the shape properly is to get the points on curve, not off curve. You know, it's better to use this one, so it's gonna get us exactly what we need. Alright,
Yes.
like this, and I think it's good. What do you think?
Yes. It's fine.
Alright, so you have done over here, and now escape, so I get rid of the curve. I'm going to mirror it to this side. Alright, and I'm going to match this over here, move it to the quad. Alright, something like this, undo. Alright, now have a look from here. This is what you got. Okay,
Yes.
so I don't need them anymore. I'm going to select and delete this one. I'm gonna lock it, or let's say I'm gonna delete this one. Doesn't make any sense to have this one. Alright, now select, sweep one history, select this, and you see when you do this one, okay, with the history I got something funny, so I'm gonna undo this one, select it, undo. I'm gonna use the normal sweep one. I'm not gonna use sweep one history. Sweep one, select this, and I'm gonna use this option, road like through finger preview. Okay, this is because you know it's taking a turn from here. If you see over here, that's the reason. So not a problem. What we can do is we're gonna project both of them, select, and we say project to seaplane, project to seaplane. Alright, this is here. You need to type them, use this view. If you're doing this view, you're gonna get flat because the seaplane over here is like this and seaplane over here is like this. So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna type no. Alright, so I've just pressed enter.
Tap no.
Yes.
What is the projection of seaplane?
The projection of the seaplane, it's right now it's not straight. So when it projects to the seaplane is always planar. You know, they are flat.
Yeah.
So they're gonna make them flat, right? So that's what I've done over here. Select them, right click, and you say yes. This time, So you delete them and you got a new one. You see, those are flat. Yeah, it's flat. If you see them, you see they were like this. Change them like this. Alright, now select this two inside and rebuild them, because I said I don't like the points of the matrix, so I'm going to change it to mine, to 0. Review. Yeah, they're looking better. Okay, select this and this. Oh my god, I didn't see this one. You don't have to get this.
How you select both of them together?
Press shift.
Shift. You press one on one and then you press shift and
Yes.
you take the other one, right?
Yes. Select over here. Okay, now extruded them, because I have a edge over here, so I need to extrude them. If I don't extrude them and if I try to rebuild them, it's gonna get me something, you know, very bad shape. So I'm gonna lock all this, lock my diamond, I delete this one, the gem profile, and you see it's all separated in different curves. So
I don't know where is the shortcut of locking things.
locking, Control L.
Control
L.
huh?
Yeah. Right. Select this section, join them as one. Alright, but seems like it's been joined into two because of this one. Alright, so select this section, sorry, and select. Yeah, select this. Yeah, you see it's going from edge to edge. It has to be one, edge to edge. Always remember, join them, rebuild them. Sorry, we do the rebuild at the same time. So right now, so let me take this as one section, unselect this, select. Yeah, okay, so till here it comes as one. That's nice. So I'm gonna unselect this, I'm gonna make them one, and I'm gonna select like this, unselect like this, and I'm join them as one. Alright, so I'll delete some points over here so I don't mess up with them later on. Get some points, delete this too. Alright, I need a sharp shape, that's why I've changed the I've deleted some points. So I'm going to do the rebuild for all the 4 curve. Okay, let's take 12 and just see if it changes the shape. Alright, so this is okay. You press OK. You see now it's been changed into sharp. That's why I've deleted these 2 points. Alright, and I'm going to join them as one. Okay, so I've joined them as one. I'm going to unlock my design, everything, and now I'm going to do the sweep one. Select. Alright, so before I do a sweep one, it's good to have I need to trim them. Trim. Okay, no good. I'll make one line, curve F4, curve F4, straight, select this one, trim. Alright, delete, join, get some points, or you can rebuild it again with 16. Alright, so whenever you do a rebuild, it's gonna smoothen your curve. Okay, so rebuild is a good option to do. Curve, get one sphere with 2 points, through finger, this view, use the quad, select the quad, and just make a circle with no dimension but a smaller one, because we're gonna need them with the sweep one option. Surface, sweep one, select here, and then you press enter. Alright, I missed the down one. select, 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 and select. Alright, so this is how it's gonna come. It's gonna come in this way, facing this direction. When it comes over here, it faces this direction, and it goes over here, it faces this direction, which is perfectly alright. You're gonna learn them more when you try to do sweep 1 and sweep 2. When you go with the sweep 1 and sweep 2, you understand them more. Okay, alright, so this is what you have got right now. You can use road through finger, you can press preview. Alright, that doesn't make any changes. Okay, if you I know it's too narrow. So if you think it's not the one which you wanted, so you can even do a sweep 2 over here. Alright, so but this is not how you're gonna do it. You're gonna cut them like this. So you're gonna have like this one, you see? Alright, so if you think the shape over here is not good, then what you can do over here is, I'm gonna undo. Alright, and then I'm gonna make a second curve. Okay, we're gonna try now with the sweep 2. Let's have the other curve. Make sure the project is on.
You're registering now?
Yeah. We don't need them. That's a good shape.
What's doing now?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you. I'm making the outer shape for the shank.
Different?
Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to do a sweep 2 for this 2. I can even break them into 2. Select this one, split. So I split them. Okay,
Split what?
split this curve. It was 1, so I split into 2. So surface, sweep 2, 1, 2, 3. Select this as 4. Alright, and this is what you get. It's nice. Okay, it's okay. If you want to add slash, you can add a slash.
What do you mean add slash?
Yeah, I want to show you. So this is how it's gonna improve your shape. You see? You press enter. Alright, I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Select this, select this,
And the other one.
and this one. Alright, you can see from here you can add this slash. Alright, and that's it. Okay, I think adding the shank preview, no. Alright, let me do that again, because when I press the add slash, the design, it was changed a bit. And so I think it's okay if you do not add anything over here. It's gonna be fine. You say okay. Alright, so I'm gonna do the same thing again. I'm gonna offset 1 mm, right? Rebuild. You know what, I made a mistake. I didn't rebuild this curve. Alright, I need to rebuild this also, so I don't get them into pieces when I explode them. So it's as I said always, it's if there is a smooth surface, the degree should be 3. It was 2, so I made a mistake, so I'm going to rebuild this now. Okay, I'm going to do the sweep 2 again. So these are the things you need to take care. Alright, 1, 2. Alright, okay. Let's try to add a slash.
Where do you get that add slash from?
It's in the option, and it's
Does
not.
What? Just you pull it, the stuff. You pull it up and down?
I'll show you, but it's not going good with the add slash. So let's do without the add slash. Select this. Select this. All right. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get one more curve, offset, curve, offset, ribbit. Let's make it 12.
Ali. Hello. Fine. What's up? والله مش هشوفك بالليل.
Okay. Wireframe.
ماشي. اوكي يلا. باي. تعال ان شاء الله. باي باي.
Change the layer. You can have more layers down this side. Okay.
I didn't understand that loop that you made inside for what?
Yeah, that's because we have one more curve over here, right? Inside, remember we did the offset inside, so that's why I took this one. So I need one more curve for sweep 2 for this one, this inside, this one, because I'm gonna do again one sweep 2. I'm going to do sweep 2 again, so I need a curve for this one which is inside. So I made one more this curve which is inside this one, so they're gonna maintain the thickness of 1 mm.
I understand.
Right? So sweep 2,
Guys, this is your lunch.
you select this. Yes,
Spicy.
thank you.
Thank you.
You're gonna select.
You want anything to drink?
No, thank you.
Coca-Cola,
Later.
tea.
Later.
Select this one,
Which one?
the curve. Alright, right now I'm getting disturbed because of this, so I'm gonna hide them. Alright,
With what?
hide.
Hi. Okay.
Okay, and then sweep 2, 1, 2, 3. This is my section and this is my section over here. Alright,
Yes.
and I'm not doing anything, I'm not doing any slash or whatever, just say okay. Alright,
Okay.
I'll do the same thing over here. 1, 2, 3 and 4, the inside one.
Okay.
This one.
Yes.
It's my mistake, I didn't press it properly. Select this properly and properly. Okay.
You didn't do the okay.
Alright, that's it. Join them together.
Join it to what?
Join these two surfaces together.
With what? With the square over
Yeah, with the join over here, with the join.
But you pushed only the thing.
Control J, that's the shortcut.
Okay.
I'm gonna hide my object, my ring. She's over here, and I'm gonna also add them, join them together with this join over here. Alright, now you can cap it. The cap option. Okay,
Cap?
yeah,
Cap what?
cap this two surface, those were open, you see, they are open. So I'm gonna cap them. Now let's see if this gonna do the Boolean, then it's gonna be good for us. So extruded the curve like this, select this, yeah, it did. It's good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to do Boolean this also. It failed, right?
Why?
That's because this is touching each other, you know, that's the reason. So we have an option. What I can do is I'm going to split this two separate. Okay, that's because the one surface is going from here and it's and it's touching the same surface, you know, it's going from here and it's touching the same surface over here, so they cannot be one. You mean they cannot be separate, there has to be either one or be separate. If they are joined together,
make this a little bit
smaller,
it wouldn't do that, like be gap between them,
where
between this and that, the two walls.
if this one, yeah, we need this one because this is the 1 mm, you know, offset we did.
I know.
Yeah,
No, I'm saying now you cannot cut them, but if we have this a little bit far from here, like about maybe 2 dcm,
no, that's not the reason. The reason is something else. That's because this object, it's 1. If it's 1, it cannot be intersect each other. It has to be union.
Yes.
Alright, so I'm going to do a Boolean union. For that I need a curve. Alright, and then I split it. Alright, now they are two different, 1 2, you see, 1 2.
Okay.
So they're not one now, so I'm going to select them together. Alright, then I'm going to do a Boolean union, which is over here, and it's successful now. You see, they are union now into each other. They are not anymore different. Okay, so that's how you're gonna do the Boolean union. And now I'm gonna try to do a difference, and jingalala, there you go.
But you have this part, the button.
I know. So there's two way you can do that. One is the cage edit we do always, or else you can have one curve straight down. Let's say you want to scoop 90 degrees, so you're gonna type rotate center F4 45, enter, like this. Okay, and now I'm gonna get a nice curve coming out of here. My ortho is off, my O snap is off, everything is off. I'm gonna make a nice shape following a scoop like this, and coming out like this and joining them again. Alright, like this. You see this one?
Yes.
So it's gonna cut them in this shape. I mirror it back, and I've used this line as a guideline. Select this two, I'm gonna extrude them and delete it. Alright, so now I select them, this two, and that's it. There you go.
Okay, now what's missing? Can we cover this inside?
Yes, we can. We can.
Okay, can we stop until we eat?
Of course, yeah. We're gonna pause this. Okay, so this is how we scooped it. Alright?
It's 1 mm thickness all of it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now looking good. I can make a small section, and I can add it over here. What I can do is I can extrude the surface. Okay,
what is this does? Go back. What the second one? This is one that you
this one is the extrude. It's gonna extrude.
extrude, huh?
Yeah, this go. So it's gonna extrude like this.
Outside.
Okay. Alright.
You took it from where? The extrude from which? The orange one?
Yes. Extrude, and that's it. Now I'm gonna fillet them. Solid fillet. Select them. 0.45, enter, set all, 0.45, enter. Okay, and get this around it. The same over here.
You right clicking anything?
You
right click anything? No. Left click and shift and
select, right click, and that's it. That's it. Yeah, done.
Like
Now I'm gonna extract the two surface which joins this two. So I want to make them one. I don't need them two separate. Alright, wireframe, extract, okay, this two, and extract this two, delete. I don't want them, like this two, it should be like one.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah,
You
so
extracted the one that you did.
yeah,
Okay.
that's it.
They are one now.
Yeah, you see, it's a dome and it's good. So you're gonna select it, you're gonna check them. So this, it says no naked edges, that means we are perfect. Alright, so I'm gonna select over here, select all curves, I'm gonna hide them, and that's it. Yes, we don't need them.
Okay.
Alright, now we were about to do the gallery for this one. Okay, so let's do the gallery part. Sorry. Curve, you need to, let me I show this one, I need this one. Okay,
The inside.
yeah,
How you show it?
yeah, you have the show button over here. You
And
click,
hide.
yeah, and then you select everything, sorry, all those curve, all curve, then you deselect this one because I don't need anything else, so I'm going to hide them back.
Okay.
Right, so select this, rebuild 12 by 3, then I extrude them both side, cap no option. Alright, cap no.
What do you mean? No cap.
Alright, so I'm gonna duplicate the borders.
What do you mean?
I'm gonna make a curves over here. Alright,
You take the regular line, huh? The regular thing to
no, this one. Duplicate edge.
duplicate edge. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay, join them. Okay, and I log them. Okay, now I got this two curve. Okay, this two, not this one, this array. I got this two curve over here, so I change the color.
Make them orange or whatever.
Okay, so I'm gonna go over here in curve section, create UV. We did this yesterday, we're gonna do that again. Create UV. Okay,
Okay.
select them, select this, select this, and press enter. So you get them unwrapped like this, and now you can make your design.
Okay. You design whatever. Then how you take them out?
Yeah, you're gonna apply them back to that same position. I'll show you how.
You made a what's the name? Huh?
Offset.
Offset. Okay.
Okay,
Offset to the inside, 0.5 millimeter or 1 millimeter or 8.8. We don't need to design it now. Just go over and just
yeah.
Okay. Because no offset design anything and just.
Okay,
Last one.
select all,
Doing.
curve Boolean.
There's something wrong with doing.
Something.
You're just taking the rounds out, right?
Okay, you design anything.
Okay.
Okay,
Then
alright, and take this one. It was going way out. Let's take a simple. You don't make much complicated.
it's no problem. Forget about the design.
Yeah, but I do need some design, you know, so I'm just making one like this. Let's say.
Okay.
Okay.
What you do?
Select. You right click. Oh, sorry. You use the apply UV curve. You put it back on this one.
Okay.
Okay. And you don't need this one, so you delete them. Alright. Select this surface, and then you split with this curve.
Split?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. A split from which curve?
I delete this one. Okay, I got this curve now. Select, split, split with this, delete, delete. Alright, I'm gonna delete all this thing which is inside. Let's say I select only this two. Oh, you know what, I did the split with this curve too, so I need to undo this. I need to hide this. I don't need to select them. That's why I got a crack in this middle. So I split again with this. Okay, then I unselect this and I unselect this, the inner one. Control and unselect the inner one, which is this one.
Yeah.
And I delete everything, and then I get like this.
Nice.
Right? And then you select them and you extrude them with the you offset them.
Why you offset them?
Because it doesn't have any thickness.
Ah, okay.
So here's the offset option.
Yes.
With the solid option. Yes, and that's it. You see? But this one over here, it's going inside to this. Okay, so what we do now, what we're gonna do over here, we need to have those solid object which we use to boolean this to. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to undo. So in this case you need to have them, you save them. You see this one, this two, the inside object, you see this one, this two, I need them now.
Really?
Yeah, so I'm gonna copy them, and I'm gonna press Control Y to redo everything. I did the undo option now to go back. Now I'm gonna do the redo. Okay, I got everything now till over here.
Control R.
Control
Redo.
Z for undo. Control Y for redo. And now I'm gonna paste it. Okay, I got them back.
Okay.
I went to the history and I got them over here.
Okay.
I moved them. Ortho on 20, enter, along with this two. Okay, do you see? So these are my extra metal. Okay, which I don't want, so I'm going to use surface intersection. You know it's gonna be fail, but let's try. You see, it failed. Boolean intersection failed. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna
how thick you made that thickness?
it's it's 1 mm.
It's very thick.
Yeah, so you can reduce it.
0.6, 0.5.
Yeah, so
0.6.
yeah, so what you can do is you can go in solid, extract them, and you try to make a new one, but delete this one, and I go in surface and I untrim them, this surface,
Yes.
so I can have them back. I also trim this, untrim the, I cannot see from here, untrim. Alright, now everything is untrimmed.
Yes, yeah.
Alright, now hide this curve.
Hold on. Hello.
I'm gonna untrim, I'm gonna hide those curve, and now I'm gonna offset this one, surface offset with the solid option. Yes, flip it 0.6 as you said. Alright, and now I'm gonna do an intersection, solid intersection with this too. So now you see this is perfect. It's gonna be perfectly close. Yeah, well, wait a minute. That's because there is no metal over here. Alright, so yeah, so this is how you're gonna get it. It's perfectly 0.5, and now you move them back to 20 mm. There you go.
Yes.
See, now you can design anything over here. Alright, that's how this design has been made. Do you want to do the rendering for this one?
Rendering? I do it?
Yeah.
No, it's fine.
Should I?
No, we've just wait.
Okay, so we just save it, and we go on to the next
We'll
ring.
go for the next one.
Alright, fine. Select all, and I'm gonna put this in my job bag. That's it.